guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. Today it's all about day and night hairstyles, so which one should you go for? As well, we have different occasions, we have different hairstyles. Some of you come from corporate businesses, some of you from creative businesses. There's the more formal ones and there's the more playful ones. But which one should you choose? Let's get into it. I'm gonna style my hair up and backwards as a more formal one, and then I'm going to style my hair a little bit forward with a little bit of spiky texture for the playful one in the night. Let's go ahead with the day hairstyle. Let's go to the styling, actually the finished product. So here I have two products, Gold Digger and the fiber paste. For the day look, I'm definitely going for a more formal touch, so I'll have a little bit of shine to it. A medium hold, which the fiber paste provide. Now it's time to use the classic comb just to get the sides in, and I'll use the fine bristles here and here and here. Alright, that's actually a little bit too static for my taste, so maybe I'll try break it up with the giant comb. Time to do a little bit of finger details. So there we have it, the more formal one. And as you saw, we can easily change the look if we don't like it too static and still want it to be in a formal way. Pretty easy. Let's say I'm coming directly from work and need to go out, have a few drinks, and I like to loosen up this corporate look. Now I have two options. I can either wash my hair or I can just mess it up and use a little bit of dry shampoo. So first I'll try to mess it up and see how I can loosen up this corporate look. And what I'm doing, I'm rubbing my hair and pushing the hair forward. And one of the reasons I can do this is because the fiber paste is a soft whole product that is not locking the hair into position. I actually think it looks a little bit too oily at the moment, so I'm going to apply some dry shampoo. Here we have the Second Day Savior from Slikhaar. Alright, so come up close. See how the dry shampoo is working its way in. So it creates a layer of fine minerals, and then I'm rubbing it in and it will dissolve the oils and it will fall out of my hair. You can see it's not shiny anymore. Now we're talking. I wish you could feel my hair right now, because you cannot feel the grease anymore. It's absorbed by the powder. Can you tell? It looks like I just washed my hair, almost. Just shake your hair. Now my hair looks messy and playful. However, I like to apply a little bit more of a texture. So therefore we have this extreme hold wax with a matte finish. It's the Gold Digger, one of the most popular products in the Vilain range. Need to say that the second day savior, it's only available in some retail stores. Go to slikhaar.dk and find out where to get it. Boom! And there we have it, the day and night hairstyle. And that's it, guys. As you saw, it was really easy to come from a medium shiny look to this matte, soft and more relaxed, playful texture. Anyway, I always recommend taking a shower, going from day to night hairstyles, because you get the best foundation always when you have a freshly cleaned hair. So guys, let me know if you like this tip, keeping a dry shampoo in your bag or your car, going out after work. If you'd like to be a part of our giveaway, you only need to write a comment down below, like the video and subscribe to the Slikhaar TV channel, and we'll pick a random winner in the next episode of some nice Vilain hair products. See you guys next time.